Hi, welcome to the stream. This is very rushed. I actually didn't really like this is actually very rushed because like I didn't really prepare for this. So, yeah. Like I was preparing at the very last minute and also for some reason this is loading. I have no idea why. Ah, this is like super loud. Okay. So, just a quick explanation. This is basically the live event
Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be.
for the Windows stuff. I don't know what's gonna happen. Like there's been this Windows 11 leak that was going on too, like, and a lot of these stuff. I just can't really explain it right now. But it's basically probably about Windows 11, but I'm not sure.
Beginning of the next generation of Windows. 1 second. You know, a big part of defining the future is always about understanding the past, especially in product. And when you think about it, Windows has been part of our life for 35 years. 35 years. It's been a driving force for innovation. It's been an enduring platform for creation. It's been home to billions. To help us do our job, live our dreams, and to help people we love. And for me, as I personally reflect on the history of Windows, and as we as a team think about designing its future, it keeps bringing me back, keeps reminding me, this is my home. And this is a photo of the house I grew up in, and it's the place that my parents, they still live today. And even though it's changed, it's been renovated, still, to this day, the minute I step inside, it feels right. It feels familiar. You know, it feels like home. But it's not just about this physical space. It's the feeling that I get when I'm there, the people, the connections, the growth. And for you, it might not be about the house you grew up in. It might be a town.
Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, I have no clue for some reason.
It might be your gym. It could be anywhere, but what it really is, it's a place you can always find your way back. It's a space.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this stuff.
Where we always know our way around. That's inspiring to me, and that's what Windows should feel like. It should feel familiar. It should feel secure.
Okay, don't mind about that. Wait, let me just do something really quick. This is like getting kind of annoying.
It should feel open, connected, especially right now, especially in these times of change. These last 18 months have shown us quite a bit.
This is starting to get...
And the PC
Okay,
has
here.
played a role to help each one of us, whether it's with work or learning or connecting with each other. You might be doing emails. You might be having meetings. You might be having classes on your PC. But it's actually become so much more than that, hasn't it? I mean, for me, for others, for some, it's become the office banter place. For others, it's become where you do happy hours. For me, it's where I've done pizza parties with my team. It's where my daughter graduated. And for many, it's where they celebrated their holidays. And during that time, we learned something. We learned something incredibly powerful. Not just how functional and practical the PC needs to be. And believe me, we understand that and we know the responsibility of that
This is like some sort of an
more than
introduction.
we ever have before, but it also must be personal, more personal. And maybe most importantly, it must feel emotion. This is what inspired us to build the Windows of tomorrow. To build you a place, a space that feels familiar, where you can create, learn, play, produce, and maybe most importantly, connect in all new ways.
And it just did that thing again. This is actually... I have to like stick with a lower quality maybe. This is not very fast or something. I don't know. Also, let me just turn the mic volume down for a bit because I'm not... wait, hold on. I'll just do that. Now the desktop volume is smaller. Okay, you know what? Let me just do that. Connecting to your stream, okay. Well, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to like resort to using the OBS browser. Don't know if that's gonna work, but... Oh, yeah, it does, okay. Interact. Play video. Maybe check your internet. I think my internet is fine. Like, everything's just working fine, but I'm assuming it might be the connection between the stream and stuff. And for some reason, it's not working. Okay, come on, please work. This is like a... getting... Oh my... Actually, you know what? Let me see. So, right now, actually, my friend Imad is actually hosting, like, I mean, not hosting. He's actually live streaming in like a server, and basically, I think we can watch that. Let me just look it up, because, yes. Actually, never mind, I don't think I should do that right now. Unless, okay, hold on. Yeah, I literally have no clue why this is not working. Microsoft Windows events. This.
Fresh, clean, beautiful.
Okay, I see
From
it
the
now.
lock screen to Windows Hello. Windows
Oh, yes,
11,
yes.
welcome
Okay,
to you.
okay.
We put start at the center. It puts you at the center. It's what you need closer to you. Simple. Still, to this day, the minute I step inside, it feels right. It feels familiar.
Yeah, I'll close this out. This is not working, so I'll go on Discord. I'll make it Discord, so give me a second. I'll be quick, don't worry. Window. Okay, here. There we go. That works. Okay. So right now, iMat is actually streaming this on the Discord server, so I could just do this. There. Here we go.
Sometimes getting you the inspiration and information that you need when you need it. It's what helps you be productive and creative. All of these details coming together. The transitions, the user interface.
Also, sorry if there's an echo on my
Incredible sense of
mic
calm.
audio. Wait, let me just
Now, we
adjust
talked
that.
about Windows 11 being beautiful on the outside, but it's also beautiful on the inside. The product is faster. Waking from sleep is faster. Windows Hello is faster. Browsing on Edge is faster. Browsing on any browser is
Okay,
faster.
here.
Actually, which is just awesome.
I hope this works.
Windows
I've
updates.
adjusted my mic a
Let's
bit.
just Windows updates are 40% smaller.
Guys, there's no desktop
And
audio. I can see
they're more
it.
efficient because they happen in the
I
background.
fixed that, so I hope it's
The
working now.
product uses less energy, which gives you more battery life and makes Windows more responsible. And maybe most important, Windows 11 is the most secure Windows yet.
Yeah, I think Windows
All of
11
this
is just canon
craftsmanship,
now at this point. It's like
From the
actual
details of
canon
design
stuff.
through the performance, they come together to empower you to produce and inspire you to create. To really understand its beauty, you have to see how it feels.
For over 1.3 billion people around the world, Windows is what inspires us to imagine, to create, and ultimately, to get things done. With Windows 11, we made it faster and simpler to get started, to get organized, and to get back into what you were doing, all so that you can be your most productive and creative. The new Start menu, with its simple, clean, and beautiful centered layout, is optimized so you can find what you need quickly. Use the search bar to find things anywhere, on your PC, OneDrive, and the web. Use the recommended section to jump right back to editing.
And even though
Start
it's changed,
utilizes
it's
the
been
cloud and
renovated.
the power of M365,
Still, to
so you can
this
see
day,
your recent
the
files.
minute I step inside,
No matter what
it feels
platform or
right.
device you were viewing them on earlier.
It feels
In fact,
familiar.
I was looking at this Power and Simplicity
it
document
feels
on
like
my phone this morning. And now with just one tap, I'm right back into it. We're also making it easier to get started with new multitasking experiences. Windows has always been about helping you work how you want by offering the flexibility of using multiple windows on your screen. The ability to snap two apps side by side has helped busy Windows users for years. My team and I took the challenge to make an even more powerful way to help you create and be productive. Introducing Snap Layouts. New on Windows 11, layouts tailored to the size of your screen.
Oh yeah, I think I've
Pick
seen
the
that
layout that
in
suits
the
you. And with a couple of clicks,
Windows
you're
11
set up
beta,
to do your
or at
best
least
work.
some of the videos
And
actually,
Windows is going
like
to
the
remember
Michael
this.
MJD
You'll see
one.
what I mean in a sec.
I mean,
This
the
is
video made by
complexity
Michael
made
MJD
simple.
about the leak.
But deceptively simple, because nobody else lets you do this with this many windows. With the new Start menu and Snap Layouts, it's effortless to find what you need to get set up and get started. Next, I want to show you how Windows helps you get back to where you were. Just when you get all settled in and organized and ready to work, along comes the inevitable interruption, a personal email that I need to reply to right away. Now with Windows 11, when you return to what you were doing after handling the interruption, or even when you return to the PC after being away from it for a while, you don't have to remember where you were or waste time setting things back up. Not anymore. This is Snap Groups, the collections of apps that I was using, sitting right here in the taskbar. Windows remembers and keeps them for me. I can get to it right from the taskbar, where I'm already going to switch apps. And because they're right on the taskbar, you can now choose to switch between apps.
Wait, so you're telling me you
entire
can just like
projects. This
what?
is next level task switching. Bringing multiple windows back together is something you can only do on Windows. Sometimes switching projects or tasks means switching locations, like taking a call in a quieter space. So if you're not docking yet,
So basically, I'm assuming it's saying that
gives you more screen space.
you can like you can put like two windows like this together,
When you do
and then basically it saves that or something. I don't know what it means.
your laptop, so they don't disturb what you were doing. And now with Windows 11, and this is where the magic really happens, when you reconnect, everything is back where you had it before. No more trying to remember what you were doing. No more reconfiguring your layout. It's just right back to the way that you had it. So relax and get right back to doing.
I think this is just
With
like the
snap
basics
groups
of
and the new docking
Windows
and
11
undocking
server.
experience, it's easier than ever to get back to being your most productive and creative. I also want to show you 2 ways we're making it easier to always know where you are in Windows and in experiences like Microsoft Edge. As we research and watch videos and shop in the browser, it's easy to get lost in a bunch of tabs. With one click, you can switch to vertical tabs, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. The second way we're making it easier to know where you are is with desktops. We designed desktops to help you stay organized and focused. Each desktop can display a different set of apps so that you can make separate rooms for the different parts of your life. With Windows 11, you can now personalize each of your desktops with custom wallpapers so that each desktop can be its own place with its own look and purpose. You can have one for home, one for school, one for work. You can even have one for gaming. Have as many as you need. Desktops are an easy way to help you
it's
stay
the
organized
thing
and
in
focused.
Windows 10
They're
like
different
asks
expressions
you, I
of
think.
you, designed for the different parts of your life. The team and I are grateful, so grateful, that many of you choose Windows as your place to be creative and to get things done. We took aim at complexity, and we brought you simplicity. We cannot wait to see what you do with Windows 11.
That was just awesome. I'm so inspired to make products with Carmen and the team. Snap layouts, docking. I mean, these features, I'm pumped. I can't wait for you to try them. And for me, I have to tell you, they have changed my workflow on a daily basis. And they work incredibly well. But it's not just about...
To be honest, when I saw the Windows 11 leak and stuff, and comparing this side by side, it seems like it's the same, so I'm just gonna say it anyways. I think Windows 11 looks so good. Like, it's so different compared to Windows 10, like the look itself. I mean, some of the elements look like Windows 10, but besides that, I think it's very cool and it's very well made, actually.
I mean, think about how many connections we all made. And whether it was on Zoom or Skype or Teams, we've connected with friends and family and loved ones all around the globe through our PCs. On Teams, my family and I would get together regularly, and it was pretty inspiring. It really did. You start using it, and it changed the way you think about connecting with family. It was almost like, why weren't we doing this before? I'm closer with my family in Cyprus now than I ever was. But don't get me wrong. I mean, I want to hug them. I do. I want to be with them. I want to be next to them. But at the same time, I don't want to lose this opportunity to connect with them on the PC, the way we've been connecting and getting closer. It's almost like we found a new tradition, which is why I'm super excited today to announce to you Teams integration directly into Windows.
What?
Now, you can connect with one touch, the icons front and center on
Microsoft.
the taskbar. It's just fast
I
and you're
didn't
in.
really catch
You can
that.
chat, call, video call with anyone, anywhere in the world. And no matter what platform you're using, it doesn't matter. Any device you're using, it doesn't matter. That's so important to understand. Whether you're on Windows or iOS or Android, it doesn't matter. What's amazing is that with one touch around the world, you connect with the people you love.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I just felt like saying hi.
Teams is near and dear to my heart, no doubt. And just like Windows brings you closer to the people you love, it also will bring you closer to the information you both want and need. I want to introduce you to a new feature, Windows Widgets. You saw this earlier. It's this beautiful sheet of glass.
Oh, that.
Windows Widgets is a new personalized feed powered by AI, serving you curated content so you can take a break at any time or just get some inspiration without ever losing your place. These and other innovations in touch, pen, voice, mouse, keyboard, they all come to life to help Windows adapt to you.
Adaptability, flexibility, and versatility are key to creating even more personal computing. So to make Windows 11 something beautiful that works better with you and for you, we've redesigned the experience of Windows without a keyboard, so it adapts to you instead of the other way around. We've refined the ways you interact with your PC to give you the flexibility to work how you want. And we've created new experiences to make Windows your go-to, not just for productivity, but also content and entertainment. So first, adaptability. I have a 2-in-1 because I didn't want to also buy a tablet. But to be honest, I never use it without the keyboard because it feels too different. Windows 11 always feels like Windows. And you'll see what I'm talking about as soon as you detach your keyboard. It's the same beautiful centered taskbar, just with a touch more space between the icons. We've added bigger touch targets and subtle visual cues to make resizing and moving windows easier. You still have Snap to make the most of your screen, and when you rotate, not only is it smooth, but we've stacked them on top of each other because it just makes sense. We've also added gestures because we know how important they are, especially when you don't have a keyboard. And they're the same ones you use on the trackpad today, so you don't have to relearn how to use your device. It's a consistent experience with subtle differences to make Windows adapt to you. Next, we've refined the different ways that you can interact with your PC, so you can use it however you want to. Many of you like to use a pen because it's a great way to sketch out ideas or highlight and take notes. With Windows 11, we're enabling haptics to make using your pen
Windows
even more
11 is
engaging
kind of like
and immersive. I can't wait for you to get your hands on one of these
touch-based
because
oriented and
it's
also
amazing to
desktop,
feel
I guess.
and hear the vibrations.
But this
as you
one looks
click
a lot more
and
modern.
edit and
so
write and sketch.
I kind of like it.
Or you can use the new touch keyboard, which is amazing. There are new themes, so you can make it yours. It might even feel like the one you have on your phone. You can swipe with your thumb, use the spacebar as a cursor, and it wouldn't be complete without emojis and GIFs. And last but certainly not least, voice typing. Arguably the fastest way to get your ideas down on paper. Windows 11 is so good at recognizing what you say. And it can automatically punctuate for you. Cool, right? And there are voice commands. Delete that. And finally, we've created new experiences to make Windows more versatile. Not just a place for productivity, but also your go-to for content and entertainment. Anytime I'm on my PC, I could check stuff like my calendar, the weather, and the news. Instead, I normally pick up my phone because it feels quicker and doesn't mess with what I have on my desktop.
Oops.
This great new feature called Widgets keeps you up to date with the stuff that matters to you without you having to lose your place. It slides over your desktop, and you can use it like this, or you can make it full screen to see everything at once. You can rearrange, and resize your widgets
This looks so
to quickly
cool.
check everything from calendar to traffic to the
I
latest
don't
in
know what to
esports.
say.
But my favorite part
Really?
is the newsfeed. And I think you're gonna love it too, because it adapts to you and what's important to you and delivers stories that might interest you. Whether that's international politics, tech, or the local news to help you stay close to your community, which means a lot to me personally. And not only can I stay up to date, I can even support local content creators and authors by giving them a tip. The last way I want to show you how we're making Windows 11 great for entertainment is in the Microsoft Store. We've redesigned the Entertainment tab to bring you top movies and TV shows from across streaming services, all in one place. Then you can either cuddle up in bed or project to your TV with Wireless Connect.
This is like, what was it called again? The Google Cast? I forgot what it was called.
Windows 11 makes the PC even more personal by adapting to you, empowering you to work and create however you like, and by giving you the best of productivity and entertainment all in one place. So as you move through your day, Windows 11 moves with you.
All right, that was amazing stuff. I want to take just a few more seconds talking about the feed and the Windows platform and just thinking about it. Think about the size and scale of the Windows platform and the opportunity to open up to local content creators and global brands alike. This is inspiring to me. It's good for both creators, it's good for consumers, and we're just at the beginning of opening up new real estate within Windows. All right, now let's switch gears for just a second. I want to talk to you about something awesome. Gaming. If you're a gamer, Windows 11, it was made for you. And the best person to tell you about it is my good friend and colleague, Sarah Bond.
Thanks, Panos. I'm thrilled to be here today to share the latest gaming innovations in Windows 11. Gaming has always been fundamental to what Windows is all about. We build Windows to be a magical place where everyone can play, connect, and create. The Windows legacy is one of innovation through collaboration, breaking down barriers, crossing divides, and bringing all creators and players together in a limitless
Wait, hold on.
world.
1 second.
Our commitment to boundless creator and player experiences is fundamental to what we do. And for me, this commitment is personal because Windows is where I learned to play. My first memory of playing a game is with my dad when I was 7 years old, playing King's Quest II on his IBM PC. I remember the joy of navigating the 8-bit character of King Graham through the 2D world of navigating the 8-bit
And I
character
chuckle
of
now
King
when I
Graham
realize
through
that
the
my
2D
dad
What-
was just
what is
getting me
happening to the
practice
audience?
reading now when I realize
that I read the dialogue
just
out loud.
getting me to practice
Now-
reading when he insisted that I read the dialogue out loud. Now, when I play games with my daughter, it always transports me back to that time. It feels like home. Today, hundreds of millions of people around the globe game on Windows, and the next generation can connect with their loved ones through play, just like I do. And while the 8-bit worlds I explored with my dad felt huge to my 7-year-old eyes, the universes we all get to explore now are truly vast, beautiful, and impactful. With superior graphics, amazing speed, and an incredible selection of games, Windows 11 delivers the best PC gaming experiences yet. And that is why I am delighted to share what Windows 11 means for the future of
Is
gaming.
this IMAT streaming?
First,
IMAT is the one streaming.
superior
I am
graphics.
not the one
games
who's
can look
streaming
better than
the,
ever on Windows 11
thing.
thanks to Auto HDR,
But
which automatically
this
updates
stream
your
that I'm
game's
having
lighting
right now
and color
on
to
my
high
channel is
dynamic
actually
range.
streamed by me. It's just that the
We introduced this tech in
video,
our Xbox
I mean the
consoles
live
and got an
event thing
incredible
is
response from creators
streamed on
and
Discord.
players.
for,
It's just
I mean
awesome
IMAT is streaming
to
it on
bring
Discord.
this to Windows 11. The results can be dramatic.
Imagine just seeing the chat.
Just check out this
I just saw
side-by-side
it,
comparison
so
of Skyrim from our own Bethesda Game Studios. On the left, you can see the game running in SDR, and on the right in Auto HDR. The colors and lighting are much more vibrant and lifelike with HDR, elevating the visual fidelity. The
HDR.
difference
Wow.
is stunning. Over 1,000 games, including Age of Empires Definitive Edition, Rocket League, DayZ, and even Doom 64 will be automatically
64.
enhanced on Windows 11
Whoa.
devices that support HDR. And all of this with no effort required from the player or the developer. It just works. Next, amazing speed. With top-performing PCs running Windows 11, new games can load faster than ever thanks to a breakthrough technology called direct storage, which we first pioneered in the Xbox Series X and S. With direct storage, games can quickly load assets to the graphics card without bogging down the CPU. This means you get to experience incredibly detailed game worlds rendered at lightning speeds without long load times. Direct storage optimized Windows 11 PCs are configured with the hardware and drivers needed to enable this amazing experience. But you all know, even the best graphics and speed are nothing without play. Which brings me to the final and most important thing of all, games. That's
looks
why
like
we created
Microsoft Store
Xbox Game
for
Pass,
some reason.
built right into Windows 11 through the Xbox app. Game Pass is a membership built to bring the power of games
Oh, it's an
to
Xbox Game
everyone.
Pass. Okay.
For a low monthly price, you have full access to a library of hundreds of games. The Game Pass library is incredible. It includes PC games from both Xbox Game Studios and Bethesda the day they launch, all of EA Play, and a great selection of third-party titles from developers big and small, with more entering every single month. And with Xbox Cloud Gaming integrated, we've made it possible to play the highest fidelity games on all PCs. Also, because of our commitment to player-first innovations like cross-play and cross-save, you can play these games seamlessly across devices with a global community of millions of players. Game Pass is simply the best way to discover and play your next favorite game. And for those favorites you want to keep, you can also
I
buy
see
them
Among
straight
Us.
from the Xbox app with just the click of a button. Whatever you're in the mood for, whether it's an action game like Halo, a grand strategy game like Crusader Kings 3, or an indie legend like Undertale, we've got you covered.
Undertale, yes.
And because Windows has the broadest hardware support in the world, you can connect millions of gaming peripherals
Among
and
Us.
accessories so you can game the way you want.
Did you see
Everything
Among
from
Us?
Bluetooth controllers,
Yeah, I
mechanical
saw Among
keyboards,
Us. It was in
the
the
Xbox
Game Pass
Adaptive
thing, I think.
Controller, and surround sound headsets, to flight sticks, driving wheels, and external GPUs. From the
This is
team
so cool.
that has always been committed to unleashing
Okay, please.
creativity,
I just keep
connection,
saying
and play,
this is so cool.
we
even though,
bring
like,
you
this
the
is
best
just
Windows ever
stuff.
for gaming.
it is stuff.
Superior graphics, amazing speed, and
Yeah,
incredible games.
I don't
Welcome
really know.
to Windows.
Among Us only for Windows 11. Yes. It is for the latest fast ring Windows 11 version. Only accessible to 6.6. Okay, my brain.
Thank you, Sarah. That was amazing. Gaming is awesome. We've seen a lot today. We've gone through productivity, creativity,
Mania.
versatility in gaming.
My laptop will
But
be
when
a
you think
joke.
about
What
it,
do you mean?
it's always about apps. And Windows has always been about apps. This is why we've rebuilt the Microsoft Store from the ground up. And we built
Wait,
it
what?
for speed. And it is beautiful. Oh, that's
Wait,
cool.
I
I
haven't
love
seen that
Plus in
before
the
in the
store.
leaked build.
The store is so simple to use. Search is incredible. And it's still the safest and most secure way for you to get your apps on Windows. And we're making sure every app you need is there. to create, learn, do, and play the way you want to. Now, for the
Minecraft
developers out
is
there,
stretched.
let me talk to you. First, you're our heroes. What you do,
My laptop will be
what you build, I gotta tell you,
I am not
it
entirely sure.
inspires us. But we also want you to be able to bring any technology, the technology that you love, to the store. Whether you've already built it or you're building it now, and it's a PWA or a Win32 app or a UWP, we just want to make it easier for you to bring it to the store. That's our goal. We also
okay, I am
want
getting
to help
Windows
you build
11.
your business.
Like legit once it's
And
out
whether
of
you
beta or
use
something.
the commerce engine that we help you with, and you want industry-leading rev share from that, or
I agree.
bring your own commerce engine. And if you do bring your own commerce engine, you keep 100% of your revenue. We keep
I'm
zero.
getting Windows 11 beta.
A great
period.
example of where all this store technology comes together is with Adobe, who are just doing amazing work, bringing the Creative Cloud and Document Cloud directly to the Microsoft Store through their subscription services across a suite of technology from UWP to PWA and Win32. We are really excited to expand this partnership with Adobe and to see what developers around the world will create in the Microsoft Store. Because what you do inspires us, and we want to help. Now, to learn more about it, we have a session for developers later today, and we are excited to take a deeper dive. Please join us. Okay, before we move on from the store, just one more small surprise. Android apps coming to Windows. And I mean coming to Windows. They can be integrated in the Start.
Kidding me? Wait,
They'll be
what?
integrated in your taskbar. You can window the way Carmen showed you earlier with these apps.
You are kidding
For
me, dude.
One of my favorite apps is TikTok. It's true. And they're discoverable through the Microsoft Store using the Amazon App Store. It's really cool. And we use Intel Bridge technology to bring it to life so it's just seamless and smooth.
I
And
didn't
this
expect that. I
integrated
actually
platform,
didn't expect that.
What it does is it brings you into Windows from the most professional editing apps all the way through to the most casual apps you can think of when you lean back on the couch, the way Philip had showed you, to just let Windows adapt to what you do. We love this. We love that the Microsoft Store continues to be more open, inviting our developers in, inviting more apps into the store, inviting you as
Okay, yeah, I am definitely getting Windows 11. No regrets, actually.
Now, we're
even
also
gonna install it
excited
as a main.
that our hardware partners
if it's
are ready.
Insider or beta or something.
Now,
because I
we
want a
know
main insider build.
how important the intersection of hardware and software is on these products. And that always starts with the silicon.
Big roast
and our
on
partners
Windows 11.
from
I think
Intel,
that's a really
AMD,
good
and
I've heard of
Qualcomm
it
have been
somewhere, I think.
designing with us since day one to bring these products to life for you. Focusing on battery life, performance, touch, pen, all these innovations and the subtleties in between that you need to bring these products to life
hold on,
are
let me do
all
something.
being designed. As a matter of fact, what
There.
Intel's doing right now with their 11th gen processor is just awesome. With hundreds of designs coming this holiday, we're super excited. We also have the largest hardware ecosystem on the planet. Between Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, and of course Surface, from day one, have been designing products with Windows 11 to bring that elegance to the forefront, to help us build technology for you that will disappear
Imagine if it was
so
another
you can do
build of Windows
your
10.
best work.
I mean, I think this is based off
What's
either
incredible
Windows
about this
10
open
or like
hardware
some
ecosystem
server build or something.
is it
I have
brings
no idea.
you
so-
choice, where you can pick the product that you love most.
But I'm pretty sure it was
With
based off
Windows
something
11.
like 10 or server
Go out
above
today
2016 or something.
and get your Windows
I think.
11 ready PC. We hope you loved what you saw today. And I know it was a lot, there's no doubt. And over the last year, the team and I, this incredible team that brings all this passion to this product, have realized Windows, it's more than just an operating system. It's fabric woven in our lives, in our work.
No, I mean like
It's
talking
how
chat,
we
not
connect
like
with
talking
people.
voice
It's how
chat.
we learn.
'Cause I can't
It's
talk.
how we work.
I'm muted.
It's how we
in the
play.
VC, I think.
And through all this time, it has stayed familiar.
Yeah, we're getting
the
11
end,
today. Wait, what?
It has continued to evolve with us. It feels a lot like home.
Wait, was that it?
Thanks again for joining us today. It is my great pleasure to introduce you to my friend, Satya.
The CEO.
Thank you so much, Panos.
Yes, the CEO.
I'm really excited to be here with you all. Today marks a major milestone in the history of Windows. It's the beginning
Yes, I can see
of
that.
a new generation. I'm excited by what we have shown you today and how we are reimagining
Yo,
everything,
okay, we're getting
from
Windows
the
11
operating
today.
system itself to
Okay,
the
that is-
browser to the store and the feed. And I want to reflect
Like,
briefly on how we got here. Throughout its
Like, I really
history,
want to get it, but
Windows has been a
I'm probably
democratizing
gonna-
force for the world.
it's probably an
Windows
insider
has
vote,
created
so I'm not going to get it.
entirely new categories for both consumers and businesses. It's led to many of the world's most successful software categories, from communications and productivity to design and business applications, each of which has created their own ecosystems. The web itself was born and grew up on Windows. It's driven silicon innovation and device innovation. It's enabled so many people, including hobbyists, students, developers, and entrepreneurs, to
And
all
now,
dream
question,
big,
where is Windows
turn
9?
their ideas into
I
reality,
don't think that's going to come
and
out
monetize
anytime
their
soon.
creation.
Unless
Windows
it's
has
2029.
always
Okay, I'm just kidding. Maybe not.
Sovereignty for creators and agency for consumers. With Windows, you can consume apps and build apps. You can play games and design games. You can buy a PC and build a PC. You can join your community and create your community. You can buy from a business and start your own business.
Yeah,
With
it got
Windows 11,
skipped.
we have
the
a
numbers,
renewed sense
I guess.
of Windows' role in the world. As I look ahead, I see three clear opportunities. First, Windows recognizes that there is no personal computing without personal agency. Personal computing requires choice, and we need to nurture and grow our own agency over computing itself. We want to remove the barriers that too often exist today and provide real choice and connection. We need to be empowered to choose the applications we run, the content we consume, the people
I hope we don't get
connect to,
driver
and even
issues.
how we allocate our own attention. Operating systems and devices
I
should
don't think we're
mold
going to
to our
get
needs,
driver
not the other way
issues or
around.
something, or
That's why we're making it easier
probably
for you to
application
connect with the people
incompatibilities
you want,
unless
the
there's like
content you
something
want, the
changed.
apps you want across all devices
Like
you want.
even Piano from Above,
Second,
like which is the
Windows
MIDI
is the
player program
stage
thing.
for the
I
world's
don't think you know
creation.
that, but
As a
it's the
creator,
program I
every
use.
time you pick up a Windows
Someone
device,
said it worked
becomes
on the
a
leaked
stage
beta
for your
build, so
inspiration, so you can dream big
I mean,
and
not
create
someone
something
said, like
profound
someone had a
and
video of
lasting.
it.
Creation is going through a sea
So I'm
change as
pretty
the
sure
balance
most
between
of the
consumption
programs
and
might
creation
work.
changes. With this new generation of Windows, we are
As
unleashing
long
the
as,
innovation and
like,
ingenuity
I don't know
inherent in
yet,
each of us.
because I
We
haven't
want to
tried
foster these
the
virtuous
one they're
loops
talking
between
about, like
content,
only the
consumption,
leaked
and
build.
commerce, driven by communities.
and I
for
haven't really
everyone.
run any apps
These
there as well,
cycles
so
should flow freely, giving people frictionless access to apps, files, games, movies, shows, content, and communities that matter to them. We want to empower you to produce and inspire you to create. It's why we're introducing a complete new user experience in helping you be more productive. And finally, Windows isn't just an operating system. It's a platform for platform creators. It allows for the broadest of design spaces, enabling people to build their own businesses and communities. Today, the world needs a more open platform, one that allows apps to become platforms in their own right. Windows is a platform where things that are bigger than Windows can be born, like the web. That's our aspiration with Windows 11, to be the platform for the next web, the next transformational software category, the next personalized content business. A platform can only serve society if its rules allow for this foundational innovation and category creation. It's why we're introducing new store commerce models and policies and creating new opportunities for local publishers and supporting even more apps with Android apps on Windows.
Yes.
This is the first version of a new era of Windows. We're building for the next decade and beyond. And when I reflect on those chapters to come, I'm reminded of an analogy from a 19th century philosopher who compared creators to objects in our solar system. He wrote about meteors that flash but fade away, planets that burn longer but whose energy is confined to their own orbit, and compared them to stars that are constant and light the path of their own. That's our ambition with Windows.
Okay, that's good.
To help other stars and entire constellations to be born and thrive. I'm incredibly proud of what Windows has achieved and how it has fostered lasting opportunity for others. And I look forward to seeing what you achieve with Windows 11 and how it'll unlock enduring opportunity for people in the world. Thank you all very, very much.
Wow, was that it? Like, oh, it says Windows 11 here. Oh, look at this. Windows 11.
Dude, that was awesome. Like, seriously.
Except I got a few... Oh. Oh, wait, what? There's still more. What? There's still more. There is still more. No, okay. This is up next. What's next for Windows? Commercial briefing. Wait, what? What's a commercial briefing? I have no idea what that means. Please help. What? It's... Oh, it's a meeting. Okay, I see. I think it's like the... Let's do something while waiting. Yes, actually, I don't know if you guys want me to play FNF, like Friday Night Funkin', so, I'm gonna have to ask you guys, do you guys want me to play that, or, I mean, like, what do you guys want me to play? Because I actually want to play it. While we're waiting for the next, okay, here. So, we're gonna have to wait for the next, like, 43 minutes or so, meanwhile, while we're at that, I actually, wait, hold on, let me just do something real quick. Oh, the event has concluded. Thank you for watching. Wait, what? I thought it was okay. Go back. There goes the commercial rating. Wait. What? So that's actually it. Okay, 1 second. Yep, it's done. Oh, I thought there was gonna be some commercial reading thing. So, no commercial grieving? I'm just gonna ask. Hold on. Yeah, let me just leave the PC, but I need to do something with this, like that, there. Okay, well, since that's done, I could actually just end the stream here if I wanted to, but I'm not sure if I should. Like, do you guys want me to do something, or should I just end the stream? Because I literally don't know. Do IDK? Okay, let's just Oh, no idea. Okay. All I can hear is weirdness. What? Yeah, it says the event has concluded. Thank you for watching. So I'm assuming it's all done now. Let me just do this real quick. There. Um, I'm assuming there's gonna be another. Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay, since I have nothing to do, I think we should just play something, or like I should just end the stream here. I have no clue what to do, so and plus it says commentary reaction, so I think I'm just gonna end the stream here. Oh, ISO will be available. Wait, what? Microsoft download from official Microsoft. What? Windows download. Should I type that? It says download Windows. No, I have no idea. Let me just pin that message. There we go. Okay. So, I might just set that the ISO will be available in a few hours, so I'm assuming we're just gonna have to wait until then. And then once that's done, I'm actually gonna stream installing that. Like, seriously. If you guys are interested, yeah, I'll just make a poll to see if you guys are interested because I really want to do it. So, um, Windows 11, once the ISO is out, I am going to, well, yeah, I'm going to install it on a VM or probably physically. So, I'm not sure yet. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next stream. Like, seriously. Oh, Insider Previews next week. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's not like a, what was it? Never mind, hold on. It says Insider Previews next week. So I think I have to install the Insider ISO? No clue. Okay, well, yeah, yeah, do it physically. I think I should do it on like my external hard drive if I can, but oh, but the verse says otherwise. Wait, what? I have no clue. Wait, what? Okay, well, the ISO is probably gonna be available as IMAT says that. I have no clue right now because like Mind Game says that Insider Preview is next week though. So yeah, I have no clue right now. So I'm left with uncertainty at the moment, but wait, is it still going on? No, it says the event has concluded, that's all. Okay. Um Yes, I'll just end the stream here, I think. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if I didn't really like say much in the stream because like I'm kind of nervous and stuff, and a bunch of things, but Yeah. Thanks for watching. Wait, hold on. Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching, for real. This was a pretty fun thing, and plus, the Android thing was, like, super cool. Like, I didn't really expect it to support Android, uh, like, Android apps. I didn't actually expect that. Like, there was something new, at least. So, yeah, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next stream, probably tomorrow, because I want to install it, or something, if I can. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.